This tutorial explains the basic settings of data sources. From an unlocked acquisition page, you can edit the settings of the three types of data sources: Humidcast, Internet and Data Store. You can open a data source editor by clicking on the Edit icon next to the data source, like this. Or you can open or edit a data source definition by going to the Product Administrator, then choose from the menu the type of data source that you want to edit, and then click on the Edit icon. For all predefined products, one or more data sources are also predefined, for which you should not change most of the settings, except for the start date and the end date. And in the case of the CDS data source, you also need to change the username and the password. This will be explained in the tutorial video for the CDS user creation, and there will be also some more information that you need to configure on the CDS data store. The data source description fields are mostly for subtracting specific information from the incoming file name, like the date and the product ID present in the file name. And also here you do not need to make any changes to these settings for the predefined data sources. So in the bottom of the edit window, you will find the start and end date, which can be edited in order to choose your acquisition period. You can either choose the dynamic dates, like for example -11 in this case, which means that it starts downloading all the files from 11 days in the past until the current date. Well, actually, also the end date here is -10, so it starts downloading one date 11 days ago. You can also use a static date, like for example 2022 01/01 from the beginning of 2022, and you can leave, for example, the end date empty, which means until now. Once you have edited the fields, you can save and close the window. Thank you for your attention.